2023 Lexus IS 350 F Sport 3.5 liter V6. Custom ordered from Japan, from the factory. What we got done on? Installed some high flow converters right there. We'll have a link in the description for them. Also has its stock converters up there, still the same. Goes into an X pipe. And we installed two Flowmaster Flow FX, 2.5 inch in, 2.5 inch out. You will find a link in the description. You'll also find them on our website at exhaustaddicts.com. Then already had a muffler delete done to it when he brought it in. And we just installed some carbon fiber tips. The carbon fiber was chosen to match his carbon rear that was also custom ordered. He's also a veteran, guys, so we want to thank him for his service. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Always like, comment, and subscribe.
All right, guys, we've got a 2023 Lexus IS 350 F Sport. Look at this sucker. What do you guys think of the front grille? What do you think? Is it too big or just right? Jarrett, what do you think? Too big? He's not going to come. To him, it's too big. Okay. To each their own. I like it. It's different. Anyways, what we got done on this thing is a little bit different than usual. So it's got factory converters there and there, secondary converters there. Then we left the stock resonators right there. Then we installed two Valvetronic mufflers there and their universal kit. We'll have a link in the description for them for you guys, right there and right there. And how they work is they got valves on top, vacuum actuated valves there and there. So when the valve is closed, it goes through the muffler right there and then back out the tailpipe. When the valve is open, it goes straight through, no muffler. Okay? So open, straight pipe, closed through a muffler. That's what's cool about them. That's why they're called Valvetronics. And it's a really easy design, easy installation on them. They plug in right into the cigarette lighter. So it's nothing crazy. And then it's got a vacuum pump inside the trunk we put it and ran the lines and stuff. Okay? Anyways, stay tuned, guys. We're about to let you hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe.
Came from the factory, guys, with this carbon trunk. Custom ordered it that way. Looks really good. Tips match it perfectly. By Nitami. Idle is about 77. Sounds good. Reminds me of a GTR. Sound decibels? 98, so it won't be too loud on the inside. Just enough to hear it. Go and back it up. If you guys don't know, this is our shop. We're located at 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. There's our phone number if you want to call us. Also check out our website at exhaustaddicts.com. Nice clean tone, nothing too crazy. Here's his Instagram if you guys want to follow him. Let you guys hear it on the inside.
Right now, guys, the valves are closed. I don't know if you can see inside there. Yeah, they are closed like that. So this is what it sounds like with it closed. Go ahead. Got a little tone to it, but nothing crazy. Almost sounds factory. very, very quiet. What do you think of it? You like it quiet? He's a family man, so he's got to have it quiet sometimes, which I understand. That's what they designed them for. So as you can see, it's like an 84 sound decibel. Again? So I'm going to go ahead and open them now. Here's sound decibels. $87, $88. It's not too much because of the resonators. But he had it straight pipe before, guys, and the biggest complaint was it droned too much inside. So hopefully this will fix that for him. All right, go ahead and back it up. So this is with the valves closed now outside. You can see it's quiet.
Valves are open. Valves closed.
'23 Lexus IS 350. Carbon hood, fully custom.
All right, guys, this is with the valves open. So with the closed, it sounds stock. So we'll just do open drive off. This sucker flies. Wow. I like it. Impressive. Enjoy, guys.